Today I will show you how to repair the battery from Xiaomi Instant Plus or Instant Plus. This has the automatic um, mop washer and dryer. Also has automatic dust collector. So in here you can see I basically broke the white pin, so I lost my Xiaomi warranty. There's nothing I can do. The issue is this is not powering up. This is not running. So I guess the battery is on this. And this is just a general issue. You can see it is quite new, recent. Just I need to check if the battery is okay or not. So okay, so it opened. Now you can see this blue brick is basically the battery, and I will unplug it. Very straightforward. Um, okay. Okay, done. Now, what I will do, I will put the new battery in. Uh, so you can see already a blue light coming out on the face. Let's make scroll down. Okay. I need to put the wire.
সবসময় একটা লাইট জ্বলে কে
ওটাই জ্বলার কথা এটা কানেকশন পাইছে ওইটা বুঝলাম
Now just need to put the back cover back and screw it up.
আপাতত
Then hopefully everything will be fine. So this is very straightforward. You can see just a single back cover,
কোন লাগানো
and then
সিস্টেম নেই
চেক দাও খালি
put the
চেক কিন্তু
back cover back, and then the cover for the album and the button. So now I'll put it in. Let's see the picture or not. Okay, so it's done. That's how you change the vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner battery. Bye bye and take care.